Hello everyone, today I shall discuss exercise 10.3 question number 3. Which are prisms among the following? Let us solve. Now here you see this is a nail number 1. Here you see there is a curved surface here, right? So we can say it is not a polyhedron. It is not a polyhedron. It is not a polyhedron. It is not a polyhedron, right? As it has a curved surface. It has a curved surface. It has a curved surface. It has a curved surface, right? Therefore, it is not a prism. Therefore, it is not a prism. It is not a prism. Now, question number 2. Question number 2 is, you see, unsharpened pencil, right? Yes, it is a prism. Yes, it is a prism. It is a prism. Right? The base is hexagon 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the base, and this is the top point. This is the same, and these are. Therefore, you can say that this is a prism. Question number 3: a table weight. Question number 3. Question number 3 here you see is there is a vertex here. Therefore, it is a pyramid. It is not a prism. It is a pyramid. It is not a prism. It is not a prism. It is a pyramid. It is a pyramid. It is a pyramid. Right? Now this one, a box. Here you see, it is also a polyhedron, therefore it is a prism. So we can say it is a prism. It is a prism. Again we are repeating, here you see this is a nail, it has a curved surface, therefore it is not a prism. Number 2, here is it is a prism. Here it is not a prism, but it is a pyramid. Here you see this is a prism, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.